This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about olive dishes, specifically this Siluro porcelain plate. It is a 10-ounce olive plate that is 12 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, and it's about 1 inch deep. There's also the option of a 14-ounce size that's 16 inches long. They're made from high-quality porcelain, and it's a beautiful, pristine white color. It's perfect for the presentation of olives, aged cheeses, herb mushrooms, or other antipasto or tapas. And I love its lovely elongated narrow shape. It allows you to really put out a variety of things and almost kind of a rainbow of little small bites, which is just a lovely presentation. It's made of chip-resistant porcelain, and it adds that kind of simple touch of modern elegance. It's got a nice sleek line to it that's just gonna work with a lot of different table settings and blend in really, really well. So it's perfect for restaurants, wine bars, for offering samples at cheese or wine shops, or just for putting on your table at home.